Today we're going to see just how much control you have when you create footstep sound effects with Krotos Studio. Here we have the Shoes Forest preset, and you can see an XY pad with 4 surface types, 1 in each corner. With this preset you can trigger muddy footsteps, or footsteps in puddles, or footsteps on sand, or crunchy leaves underfoot. Simply click in the corner of the surface you require, then drag the footsteps out of Krotos Studio onto your timeline. It's that easy. We can get more detailed footsteps by combining sounds together. For example, you can combine any 2 quadrants together, or you could click closer to the center to combine all 4 surfaces for rich and detailed footsteps. Controlling the pace of the footsteps is as straightforward as clicking faster. Simply click slowly for walking or quickly for running. The footsteps category features a whole range of footwear, including sneakers, boots, high heels, even flip-flops, socks, and bare feet. Many of these footwear types are recorded in multiple environments, such as forests, indoors, outdoors, and urban areas. As well as the XY pad, there are additional controls to make your footsteps more dynamic. You can trigger foot shuffles and scuffs separately to your footsteps by clicking scuff, or you can trigger a stopping footstep as the last step in your footage. Pitch controls how low or high the footstep is, and pan moves it left and right in the stereo field. Adding footsteps to your projects with Krotos Studio is a very straightforward process. You could simply count the number of footsteps in your project and then trigger that amount in Krotos Studio, or you could perform these footsteps, clicking inside Krotos Studio in synchronization with your footage. Then simply drag and drop these sounds out of Krotos Studio onto your timeline. Hopefully you have seen just how versatile and powerful Krotos Studio can be for footsteps. With various choices for footwear, environments and surfaces, there are over 300 combinations of footsteps in Krotos Studio, with the preset number growing every month. Sign up for free today and get started creating Hollywood sound in seconds.